Now I'm going to have you take a breath in. When you exhale, hold it while I listen to your heart.
Okay.
At each site, first listen for S1 while palpating the carotid pulse. S1 should coincide with the rise of the carotid pulse. It should be high-pitched with a moderate intensity. Second, focus on systole, which begins with S1. You should not hear any extra sounds or murmurs. Third, concentrate on diastole, which should last longer than systole, and also should have no extra sounds or murmurs. And fourth, listen for S2.
Take a deep breath in and hold it.
It should be high-pitched and may split during inspiration, which may be normal or pathologic.
Exhale and breathe normally.
When listening to heart sounds, characterize them by pitch, intensity, duration, and timing in the cardiac cycle.